How to fix chat disabled in Roblox. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the chat disabled issue in Roblox. So if you can't chat with friends in-game, follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Roblox website on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open your settings. Next, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where you'll manage your chat settings. Scroll down to the Communication section, then go to Experience Chat. Here you'll see two options, Experience Chat and Direct Chat. Make sure both of these are set to everyone. This is the key step that unlocks your chat functionality. Once you've done that, Roblox will confirm that your settings have been saved successfully. And just like that, your chat should now be working perfectly. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be back to chatting with friends in no time. If this helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.